The NObreath is capable of storing up to 50 patient profiles. From the home screen, press the Profiles icon to access the list of patient profiles. If you have not entered your PIN in the last 30 minutes, you will be asked to enter it before you can access this list. Select the patient you wish to view. From a patient's profile, you can view a graph of results, take a new breath test, or delete their profile. To create a new profile, choose an empty profile slot and use the keypad to enter a name or reference. Then press the Save icon to save the new profile. To edit a patient's profile, select them from the list and then select their name again. Use the keypad to edit the profile and press the Save icon to keep the changes or the back arrow to cancel. To delete a patient's profile, select them from the list and, once in their profile, press the red X. Press the tick to confirm that you wish to delete the patient or the back arrow to cancel. Press Home to return to the main screen.